Do you have money in your savings account? Hey guys, it's Robert with Live by the Fire. No, I don't think you should be saving your money. All right, let me reset. So you should save your money, but only 3 to 6 months of emergency funds for rainy days or any emergencies that you have to spend money on. But anything after that, you should not be saving your money. So here's what happens when you save your money. Interest rates right now for your savings accounts are about 0.5%. Not even a full percent, just 0.5%. But let's pretend it's 1 full percent. Okay? Inflation, which inflation is just basically the dollar, actually all currencies around the world have an inflation rate, right? So every year the value of currency goes down and down and down and down. The inflation rate in the United States is on average 2%. So if you take that 1% interest rate for your savings account and the 2% for inflation rate, you are losing 1% every year on any money inside your savings account. So what I'm saying by that is for all that hard-earned money that you were able to save after working long hours at work and budgeting and saving, all that money you put in your savings account is losing you money year over year over year. So here's what you should do instead. Instead of putting your money in that savings account we talked about, go ahead and invest your money wherever you want. It could be into real estate, the stock market, into your own business. Whatever vehicle allows you to earn more money with your money. So let's say you invest your money in the stock market and you invest it into an index fund or just a random brokerage account, whatever it is that you want. On average, the stock market gives you a return of 7% per year adjusted for inflation. So instead of your hard-earned money going into a savings account and working against you and losing value, your money is going out there into the stock market and earning you more money. And this is done even while you sleep. When you go to sleep at night, you'll wake up in the morning a little bit wealthier than you were when you first fell asleep. And that's because your money is working for you. Let's take a look at an example. Take Julie. Julie wants to retire in the future. She wants a little nest egg to keep her satisfied in the future. So she takes $5,000 today and she puts it in her savings account. Now, what does that $5,000 savings account look like 30 years down the road? Well, the answer is it's going to look like a $4,000 savings account. Now, why is it that her money went down in a savings account? Wouldn't you think that it would have stayed the same? Or because your bank is giving you 1% interest rate, shouldn't it be more? Yes, technically you'll have more money in that savings account. But if you adjust it for inflation, meaning the value of your money went down, you will have what today looks like $4,000. Now let's take a look at Monica. Now Monica wants to have a lavish lifestyle when she retires in the future. She wants to buy herself nice clothes, nice cars, nice homes. She wants it all. She loves the luxurious lifestyles. So she, instead of putting it in a savings account, she puts that $5,000 in an investment account because she knows the only way to earn a lot of money is to invest her money and make her money work for her. So again, she's earning 7% per year adjusted for inflation. So that $5,000 investment today, 30 years down the line, will look like $38,000 of today's money. All right, so let's look at Julie again. Julie has worked for 40 hours every week for 30 years. And she looks back at her investment account and she sees what's today's money only $4,000. Her money has lost value. Whereas Monica has also put in her 40 hours every week for 30 years and her money has gone from $5,000 to what today is considered $38,000. So out of those two scenarios, which one would you want to be a part of? All right, so obviously I know and you know that we would both select the option that lets you gain over $33,000 on your investment. So use investment vehicles to supercharge your money and make your money work for you. So if you're interested in supercharging your money and reaching financial independence at an early age, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below with what you would do with over $30,000.